Okay, so now I'm going to expand the following expressions and to simplify them, which is the number 22 and 21. And I think I'll just do the factorizing as well and solving these equations by any method. In fact, I can see why that would be a lot for one video. So let me stick to 21 and 22 for this one. So the first one is 4x plus 3 squared. So number 21 is 4x plus 3. 21, we can start here. 4x plus 3 squared. So all you do is you rewrite this as 4x plus 3 brackets 4x plus 3. Okay, that makes it easier. Just multiply the 4x and the 4x, then the 4x and the 3, and the 3 and the 4x, and the 3 and the 3. So this becomes 4x times 4x plus 4x times 3 plus 3 times 4x plus 3 times 3. So this is equal to 16, because 4 times 4 is 16, x times x is x squared, plus 4 times 3 is 12, x plus 3 times 4 is 12, x plus 3 times 3 is 9. Okay, so then you take the 12x and the 12x, because they both have an x in them, and you're gonna group them and add them together. So you still have 16x squared plus 12 at 12 is 24x plus 9. Okay, so that's that one. That's that one done. That was number 21. So let's look at 22 then. 22 is here. 22 says 5x squared. Says 5x squared plus 2x minus 1 brackets x take away 3. So I'm just going to copy that. Cut it from here and paste it right here. Okay. So the best way to do this is to write this one in front. So we're going to put x take away 3 brackets 5x squared plus 2x minus 1. Okay, so we're going to start with x times 5x squared and x times 2x, then x times a minus 1, then minus 3 times 5x squared, minus 3 times 2x, and minus 3 times minus 1, which comes up to x times 5x squared, that's x times 5x squared, plus, because there's a plus, 2x times x, minus, because that's a minus, minus x, and then we go to the minus 3, and it's minus 3 times 5x squared minus 3 times 2x minus 3 times minus 1. So this becomes, because we can pretend there's a 1 here. In fact, we're not pretending there is a 1 there, we just don't write it. So if we are going to multiply x and x squared, it's 1, add 2 is 3, and we still have the 5, so it's 5x cubed plus 1 and 1, add the indices, you get a 2, 2x squared minus x minus 3 times 5 is 15, x squared, minus 3 times 2 is 6, x, and then the last one is a minus 3 times a minus 1, which is a plus 3, so that's a plus 3. Then we're going to take like terms, so this and this is a like term, then minus x and minus 6x are like terms, then 3 and 5x cubed remain as they are. So 2x squared minus 15x squared is minus 13x squared. Then minus x minus 6x is minus 7x plus 3. And that is the answer to this one. Okay, so that was number 22. Let me see what 23 is. We might have to leave it at 22 for now. Okay, we're going to leave it at 22, which is expanding expressions and simplifying them. Okay, so the two of them are right here. If you want to see the rest of these that I've already worked out, you can see some of the videos I've just uploaded. So I've done all of these questions and we're at number 22, and I'm going to leave it here, 21 and 22, and then I'll see you in the next video where I'll look at